Y'all want to get paid to speak? Of course you do. That's why you're here. So we're going to talk about the 4 steps to start your voiceover business today. Hello. Hi friends, my creative professional family. Here we are. We've gathered online because the internet is magical, but we also make money in our communities because local is important. Here we are. Welcome to the business of storytelling. I hope you're excited as I am for today's video. No more storytelling, y'all. We're diving straight into actionable steps to build your voiceover business. You're welcome for saving you a 10-minute ramble about my own journey, by the way. I recorded it and then they cut it, so it's fine. Let's get down to business, starting with the crucial foundation. Okay, your recording space. The first thing you need is a space to record. Now, I'm not going to bore you with another generic studio setup tutorial. There are plenty out there, so go find one. You really need a closet, a space, a closet. It doesn't have to be crazy. You can convert it into a recording haven. You order the necessary gear, set up the technical bits, and let that recording begin. If you do need someone to go through it with you bit by bit, then there is a way to do that with me. I do some training. But if you can do it on your own and do all the YouTube university bits, do it. Next up, another thing you can do yourself, you need a demo. You don't need to spend a fortune professionally producing a demo. What you need is a 60-second sample showcasing your voice, demonstrating your range and abilities. And guess what? You can produce it yourself within this equipment space, within this recording closet, with the equipment you got that you ordered on Amazon. It's not expensive or hard. It just takes a lot of little steps to get it done. Your demo should mirror the quality of your recording space. So you shouldn't be recording a demo in a space that you're not going to record client work in. So now, next, you need an online presence. It's key. Whether that means you just have a website with a demo and a profile, right? That's all you need, something simple. You need a profile on ACX, Voquin, Upwork, any of those places. Get yourself out there. You don't need profiles all across the whole internet right away. You just need to get started somewhere with one place on the internet and one place that's a profile. And lastly, and perhaps most importantly, motivation, because it does take a lot of really boring tiny little steps, but there is work for you out here on the internet in this vast, huge, gigantic landscape. The voiceover market is enormous, y'all. Opportunities abound. Your task now is to find them. But you have to have 4 things: your recording space, your demo, your home online, your website. It can be the simplest, most simple website of all time, and a professional profile. Remember, all of that actually sets you up for a lot of rejection. Haha, which is the best part of the creative journey because it trains us to never give up. Because once you have all those, you can start auditioning, and auditioning trains you to be ready for the job. So, are you setting up your recording space? What are you doing right now? You crafting your first demo? Are you perfecting your website? Or are you struggling to find that motivation? Because honestly, y'all, that's the hardest part, is that motivation to take the next step. So start sharing your progress in the comments below. Tell me where you're at. Let's figure out how we can build your voiceover empire together. Because I'm doing not only these videos every week, but I'm finding ways to train you all in practical, step-by-step, day-by-day bits. So I've got... What else do I have for you? You guys come by all the time from my private email list where I'm throwing information and throwing freebies. And then you come to me through the 5-day demo challenge because you guys are producing demos quick. The 5-day demo challenge is available. Let me know if you came here from there. The voiceover audition Retreat is a really big one because the next thing after you get your demo, you gotta start submitting. Last year, Catherine submitted like 25 auditions in one weekend. It was incredible. So make sure you're telling me where you're coming from, guys. You're commenting and subscribing to this. And don't forget to come by on TikTok and Instagram. I'm posting there a lot more, like on the daily. So there's more regular tips and tricks for you guys. So make sure you're coming by, saying hi. Miss you, love connecting with you on the internet. And I'll see you guys back here in a couple of weeks and on TikTok and Instagram in the in-between times. Bye, friends.